Ready to unleash a content marketing superpower that sends emails on autopilot? Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zap that automatically sends an email in ConvertKit every time you create a new Google Doc. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. Now, choose Google Docs as your trigger app, selecting New Document as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to watch for newly created Google Docs. Next, connect your Google Docs account to Zapier. You may need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Docs. Follow the on-screen prompts to do so. Now, test your trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully find new documents in your Google Docs account. You should see a sample document pop up. Now, it's time to choose ConvertKit as your action app. Select Send Email as the action event, which will automatically send an email through ConvertKit when a new Google Doc is created. Connect your ConvertKit account to Zapier. You'll likely need your ConvertKit API key, which you can find in your ConvertKit account settings. Follow the instructions to securely connect. Now, customize your email. Choose the ConvertKit sequence or broadcast you want to use. Fill in the required fields, such as the recipient's email address and the email subject. You can even pull the Google Doc title into the email subject line. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly, and then turn it on. Now, every time you create a new Google Doc, an email will automatically be sent through ConvertKit, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Automate and grow.